Want to schedule your Instagram Reels ahead of time? This video shows you the official way in under 1 minute. First, you will need to open the Instagram app and start creating your reel just like you normally would. I need to say something. Scheduled posts are available only for creator and business accounts. You need to switch your account to this type if you do not see the schedule post feature. After you have finished editing your video and adding audio, proceed to the final share screen to see more options. On this final screen before you share, you must scroll down and tap on the More Options option. Inside the Advanced Settings menu, you will find the Schedule This Reel option, which you need to toggle on. You can then choose the exact date and time in the future that you would like your post to be published. After setting your desired time, go back to the previous screen and then tap the Schedule button to confirm it. Subscribe for more short and concise videos that get you what you need to know in under 1 minute.